Hello and welcome to part 5 in this series of how to overcome driving anxiety with practical in-car tips. So far we've brought up the feelings and you've learned how to calm yourself. So now what we're going to do is learn how to anchor that feeling to driving. Now you've probably heard me talking about anchors in videos before. An anchor is when you remember something from the past, like when you hear an old song, a piece of music, and you go, oh, I remember that song was on when I, whatever, got married, or when I had that time I went out with the friends for the night, whatever. You can anchor things to driving, and if you have a fear of driving, you've already done this, you've already anchored fear to driving. So what I need to do is to bring up the feelings of calm that you've had so far from the previous parts of this series of videos. Then I want you to simply put your hands on the wheel and think of a word. It's got to be a word you don't often use, not like the or and. Let's just think of a word. I'm going to make up the word barbarian. I don't normally use the word barbarian, so I'm going to say, I'm going to put my hands on the wheel, feeling calm and relaxed. You must already feel calm and relaxed. If you're not, you've got to do the previous videos in this series more. So you're sitting in your car and you're feeling calm and relaxed. And you're going to put your hands on the wheel and say the word out loud, barbarian. Bit of a strange word, I don't know where that came from. It just came from somewhere. You might like to use a word, peace or tranquility, but something you don't normally say is better. It could be a word you make up, like hooga googa or something like that. The idea is that you're making it so that when you feel calm, you're linking that state and that word to driving. Now this does take a while to happen. You won't just do it once and it works. Scientifically, this can take 21 days to work. But what you can do is you're anchoring a sense of calm and tranquility to your hands being on the wheel. So the idea is, instead of this triggering off a bad anchor, you're replacing that anchor. Now this is a very, very simple way of doing it. Again, if you want more help, you want to go deeper, check out my links in the description for my driving anxiety courses. There is a free course with over 400 videos where you can work with me if you want online. Those go deeper, but this will help you to get an idea of how to anchor calm to driving. So bring up the sense of calm, feel calm, put your hands on the wheel, and then just say a word. It can be a colour. You might say blue or red. And every time you do it, you will start to associate that word with a feeling of calm. So bring the feeling up, touch the wheel, and say something like palm tree. And then do it again. Make yourself feel calm, touch the wheel, palm tree. Now what's all this about? Sounds crazy, doesn't it? The idea is that when you start to link that word with this feeling, you will be able to say that word as you're driving, and it can bring back the sense of calm. So think of it about now. If somebody came running down the road shouting, fire, fire, well, everyone's panicked in the word fire. It's not really a calm word, is it? If you chose that as your safe word, sorry, but fire is generally a word that brings up anxiety and panic, and always a fire somewhere. So this is a very basic method again, but it can work. So get yourself calm, think of a word, and get used to saying that word when you feel calm, and you'll be amazed what can happen. Check out the next video in the series on the screen now. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you again soon for more videos.